Good morning. I want to stroll through the garden because I'm going to New Orleans for 5 days. So I just wanted to take a picture. Joe's going to have to maintain this. I know we have some issues here with, I've got to bury this irrigation and things, but I'll do that when I get back. This is the beautiful Princess Alexandra of Kent. And look how gorgeous this is. So beautiful. I have a bunch of other really beautiful roses coming up here, and there's Miss Kitty. Let's see. This is Cocoloco. This is Kitty Cat with her head to the thing. Sorry, I can't pet you. My hands are full. And this one is, I want to say Ancient Mariner, but I'm going to have to look at the tag. Do we see it here? I don't know where all my tags went. They all disappeared. Weird. Okay. This is a really cute combination here. It's a white salvia with a peach drift rose. And these are my pink cashmere, and this is my Gomphrena, still growing strong. It's absolutely amazing. Look at these. And let's turn around here. Oh, look at these, are beautiful. This is my, I'm forgetting everything. There's another white salvia, Seniority Rosalina, cleome. And from this angle, I have to repaint the bench because it got hit with water, orange water. This is a really pretty one. Look at this one. I don't know why I'm not remembering what these are. And always the tags. Oh, Princess Charlene Demonico. All right, I put my other hand down. Some of these, oh, this one. This is becoming one of my favorites. This is the Lady Gardener. And the spider over here loves it too. Ah, look, I have some blooms on my Celestial Night and more are coming. I have, these are true roses. This one's doing great. This is another one that's a big favorite of mine. And it smells really good. Oh, look how beautiful. Oop, that just shattered. And if I could remember the names, I just know that which ones I like. This one's Sceptered Isle. Really pretty. This one's Vanessa Bell. A little fragrant. This one is another one that's a beautiful one. I want to say Queen of Sweden. Yep, Queen of Sweden. And you know what? This one I thought wasn't even going to make it. It's delish. And I think if I do a big row of things, it's going to have to be a delish. This is a nice, beautiful, spicy fragrance. And it's just beautiful. I mean, it's got a little bit of leaf issue, but I'm just going to peel this off. But the rest of these leaves look very good. So I love this rose. Oh, 333 already. And this one here is another one of my favorites that if I want to do a big row, a hedgerow of roses, it is Sweet Madamoiselle. Here's another gorgeous rose, Quietness. And this is Litchfield Angel. It's absolutely stunning. Oh, look at this one. This one to me was a mystery rose, but I think that it is Belinda's Dream. It's got a little thrift damage here. If I pull this off, it'll probably be okay. Look at those dang things. I gotta spray them down. Okay, beautiful. I have a couple more favorites here. This one is Duchesse de Brabant. And look at it, it's so beautiful. Slight fragrance, not really anything massive. A little bit of thrift damage, not much. And then this is my Mutabilis. Ow, Duchesse de Brabant just bit me, which I love because it's all different colors. Look at this. Pinks and yellows and almost to white. Beautiful. And it is, I'm going to say 7 feet tall right now. And these are my gorgeous apricot drift roses. Even though they're getting engulfed by this fire bush. It's, I think, 2 here. I think it grew a baby too. And it's really beautiful. Look at these flowers. This is a constant performer for me. And I did want to show you some blooms on my white rose of Sharon white chiffon. Look how stunning. Beautiful, beautiful. And here's my Olivia rose, and I had to kind of dig her up a little bit because I had ground orchid problems, like an invasive ground orchid issue. And so I had to, because the soil I used was under her roots, I had to kind of dig her up and take the ground orchids out. And this is another adorable one. I think I want to get some more of these. They're just so cute. They're a dragon fruit. I don't know. If you look up dragon fruit, you'll see dragon fruit rose. And this here is a climbing rose. It's got to be 10 feet tall. It's Rev D'Or. And here's another one growing, hanging. It's climbing up. Oh, there's several blooms here. Rev D'Or.